Hey everyone, welcome back to the High-Tech Software Solutions channel. And it's been a while since our last video, and I'm really sorry about the delay because I was caught in something, so I couldn't record any videos for almost 2 weeks. So I'm really sorry about that. And let's start our tutorial. As you guys remember, in the last video we worked on how to upload photos to the gallery, and in this video we want to show the related photos of a gallery inside the gallery, and also we want to be able to click on the photos and view its details. So let's start. But before we start, I want to say, guys, that if any one of you didn't have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me, and I will be able to upload more videos like this for you guys. So let's start. First of all, we need to log into our system. So we are logged into our system, and if we go to this gallery, there's no photo showing here, so we want to show the photos related to this gallery. And if we check our database, galleries, or not galleries, photos, as you can see we have 2 photos and they are related to our gallery 4. As you can see, this is our gallery 4, the first one, I think. So let's start code. I already have opened the project in the text editor. So first of all, we need to go to our controller, which is in app, under HTTP, under controllers, and our gallery controller. And the page that we want to work is our gallery show, and the method is also gallery show. As we go to the up, this is our method. So in here, first we want to declare a variable called photos, and after that our photo model, where the ID is equal to our gallery variable and ID. Or not ID, this one should be gallery underscore ID, and we want to get all, and for that we can say get brackets, and after that we want to pass the data to our view, and for that we can say comma quotation photos. So this was all with our method. Now let's go to our gallery show blade, because we want to show the information of the photos in that blade. So for that we have to go to resources, views, galleries, and gallery show blade, and at the bottom, not after our row but before our row closing div, we want to declare another div of class of call md8, and after that we want our card, and our card should have a card header, and in header we can say photos. So after our card header we want our card body, and inside our card body we want a row, and after our row we want call dash md dash 12, and inside our call md we want to declare a paragraph, and in here we can say our photos, or not photo, our gallery description, our gallery arrow description. So after this row we want another row, and inside this, first of all, we need to declare our for each loop for the photos, and for that we can say @ for each photos as $photo, and end our for each. So inside our for each we want for every photo a call md of 3, and we also want our photos to be something like a link, and when we click on the link, we want to go to that specific photos information, and for that we can say a href, and the value should be our image. But before our image, let's also declare the route for our photo show. For that we can say double brackets route photo show, and we want our id also by saying photo arrow id. So for the image, our source should be double brackets, and in here we want to go to our assets folder, and in there we want to go to public slash galleries slash photos slash, and now we want to concatenate our photo name, which is photo arrow photo. As you can see in the database, our photo name field is photos. If we go to our photos table, this is the name that we want, because this is the name that that the file has been stored in the public folder. So let's go back to our code. Okay, this is the link for our show. Let's also create this route to prevent the errors, and for that we have to go to our routes folder and web.php, and at the bottom we can say route colon get galleries slash photos slash show slash our id, and after that we wanted to go to our gallery controller at photo show, and the name for this route should be also photo show. Terminated. So guys, I think this is all the code that we need for our gallery show blade. Let's check it. If we refresh, as you can see, the photos are kind of crap, so let's give it a width also. So for our alt tab we can say photo, and our width should be 100% of this call md3. So if we check again and refresh, as you can see, this is our photos, but this is not showing what we want. Let's go back to our code. Oh, we already have a call md3, guys. So if I cut this code, or cut this all call md3 call md8 and paste it instead of this one, and now if we check, yeah, this is the thing that we want, and if we click on it, as you can see, it redirects us to the URL that we described, and it also grabs the ID. So let's create the view, and for that we have to go to our photos folder, and in here we want to a new file called photo show.blade.php. And before we work on our blade, as you can see, we have described our route which will go to our gallery controller and our photo show method, but we didn't have described our photo show method. So let's create this method in our gallery controller, and at the bottom after our photo store, in here we can say public function photo show, and the ID is coming to URL, and first of all we need to grab the photo from the database, and for that we can say photo variable equals to our photo model column find, and what to find? Our ID. Terminate it, and after that we want to return our view, which is inside gallery dot or slash, either will work. So gallery slash, or not gallery, or galleries folder slash photos slash our photo show blade. And we also want to pass the information. For that we can say compact and photo. So this is the method that we want. So let's we created already this photo show, and now let's work on our photo show blade. So first of all we need to extend our main blade, and for that we can say extends our layouts dot app, and after that our section, which is content section. And inside here the first thing that we need is a row. And inside row we also want this row to be, the content of this row to be justified center, and for that we can say justify content center. And inside the row we want to call md of 3, and inside this call md we want a card, and inside the card we want to say actions, because we want this card to be for edit photos and delete photos. And after our card, or we can put this actions inside card header. And after our card header we want our card body. So for that we can say dot card body. So inside the body we want two links. Let's give it a class of btn success and btn block, which should say edit photo. After that we want another link, or we can copy this one and change the edit to delete and the success to danger. Okay, we will work on these two links in the future videos, and in this video, and hopefully the last thing that we will work is this photo show blade. So after this card, or the entire call md, we want another call md of 6, and inside this call md we want a card, which should have a card header, and inside our card header we want our photo title, which is coming from the method. After that we can say photo arrow title. So after our card header we want our card body, and inside our card body we want a row, and inside the row we want a call md of 12, and inside of this div we want our photo description. And after this row we want another row, and it's called md, call md 12, and inside here we want our image. The source should be double brackets asset, our public folder slash galleries slash photos slash, and after that we want our photo name, which is photo arrow photo, and for the alt tab we want photo, and the width should be 100%. So let's check it how it looks. If we refresh, As you can see, this is the photo, and this is our photo description. So hopefully guys you enjoyed watching this video. This was all for this video, and again sorry for the delay guys, and we'll probably try to record videos as soon as possible for you guys. So this was all for this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.